Area view. For an all-round overview. Area view helps you park and maneuver by providing a 360-degree view of your vehicle directly in your field of view. Customized for specific everyday situations, Area View generates a variety of views with the help of 4 outdoor cameras. Even in narrow spaces, you can keep an eye on your vehicle's surroundings. The bird's eye view helps you to recognize obstacles and find the optimal parking position for your vehicle. With the single views of the cameras, you look specifically into selected areas. When approaching obstacles, the front and rear cameras assist you. You can keep an eye on the curb via the side cameras. Scratches in rims can be avoided more easily this way. Thanks to Area View, even hitching up trailers is made easier. The front and rear cameras further expand your field of vision. Areas that would otherwise be hidden from view become visible as the view around the corner is made possible. With Area View, you can see what would otherwise remain hidden.
Volkswagen.